Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to the honorable judges, the timekeeper, teachers, and all my friends. Today, I would like to tell you a story about the wolf and the kid. There was once a little kid whose growing horns made him think he was a grown-up, illegal, and able to take care of himself. So one evening, when the flock started home from the pasture, and his mother called, "Bat, bat," the kid paid no heed and kept right on nibbling dirt and the grass. A little later, when he lifted his head, the flock was gone. He was all alone. The sun was sinking. Dark shadows kept creeping over the ground. Chilly little wind kept creeping with them, making scary noises in the grass. The kid shivered as he thought of the terrible wolf. Then he started wildly over the field, bleating for his mother. "Mbeh, mbeh, mbeh." But not halfway, near a clump of the trees, there was the wolf. The kid knew there was little hope for him. "Please, Mr. Wolf," he said trembling. "I know you're going to eat me, but first, please, play me a tune, for I want to dance and be merry as long as I can." The wolf liked the idea of a little music before eating, so he struck up a merry tune, and the kid leaped and frisked gaily. Meanwhile, the flock was moving slowly homeward. In the still evening, the wolf piping carried far. The shepherd dogs pricked up their ears, and in a moment they were racing back to the pasture. The wolf song, and suddenly they recognized the song the wolf sang before a feast. "Baba, black sheep, have you any wood?" And in a moment they were racing back to the pasture. The wolf song ended suddenly, and as he ran with the dogs at his heels, he got himself a fool for turning piper to please a kid, when he should have stuck to his butcher's trap. So